I'm Riley and I'm a producer at Milk Makeup.
What?
Flex Concealer. This is a super flexible, full coverage concealer that moves with you throughout the day. Conceal and flex, baby. We wanted to make a long wear, full coverage concealer that never creases or cakes. And it's vegan. It's infused with blue lotus root to moisturize your skin and maintain elasticity. It's also super calming. The marshmallow and chamomile help reduce redness and inflammation.
Where?
Everywhere. So I like to use this underneath my eyes. Hold on, and anywhere that I have a little bit of redness or imperfection, so right around my nose and on my chin. Dab it on with the applicator and blend it in with your fingers. You get flawless, even skin and full coverage all day.
Why?
We wanted to create a concealer that gave you coverage, hydration, and a calming effect. This stuff is really great to use over sunshine skin tint to get additional coverage when you need it.
When?
You can use this stuff anytime, but it's your secret weapon for when you haven't gotten enough sleep, maybe stay out a little bit too late, and need to cover up those dark circles. Well, that is all you need to know about Flex Concealer. Get it, buy it, and I'm out.